You can see the top main beam plate is with 20, and the bottom is with 25 thickness. And also in the good neck, we also weld the reinforced plate. Here is the welding plate to increase the strongability. We use the landing gear and with the container locks, which can carry 20 feet container. The side beam, the head is with 280 tons. The side beam we also weld with the 8 type, and in the side beam we weld different size the rope hooks to help fasten your goods and machinery. Here is the suspension tab. The suspension plate we also weld the reinforced plate with the main beam, because in the axle plate, this plate will bear the most of the weight of the machinery. Also here, we weld the plate to increase the strongability of our main beam. Here in the suspension, we also weld the single plate with the suspension in between suspension and the main beam, which is increase the area of welding to increase the strongability. The axles is customized for the bed road conditions, which is a bigger size than the normal type. And up the bottom plate, we also weld the anti-skip bars. Instead of the normal, the bars is welding from here, we increase up to the middle plate, which increase your usage experience.